Hey guys, here's just my mini mock. I just need to put the bomb squad's guns up, and then add some bell droids. So here, this is the top of the mini mock. And the reason why I call it the mini mock is because it's mini. Because they're like in the forest. And these are Republic droids, but and now I'm just using them instead of. Oh well. Just wait. Oh here. So, yeah. Gosh. So this is what most of my mini mock looks like. And then in front will be sorry, you're just looking at paint. Except I do not use paint. Come on! So they're like that. He's gonna use his mortar that I'm giving away in the base contest. He's shooting them. And hope you guys like the mini mock. Just Peter. Hope you like the mini mock. And here's my little improved one. Every video I'll be showing if I improved it, and it's a little improved from a base contest one. So guys, bye.